Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to remove a 107 motor. This isn't the worst job in the world. This machine here is going to be going parts. This motor runs extremely well. In fact, I think it's one of the best 10 horses I ever heard run. But we're going to open up the hood and you're going to see that the wiring is in nothing but disarray right there. The voltage regulator's gone. So we're going to remove the hood, take off the front piece, and then we're going to get ready to just take out the motor here. So well, we might not be. Let me get a 6-point. So I guess we're going to have to grind that one off. Let's see what we have here. Oh my, this is... I'll show you what we're dealing with. The piece of ready rod and then put 2 nuts on it. This one here is rounding off, so we're going to take a grinder and we'll just grind that right off. Never had to do that before, I'll have to admit, but you run into all kinds of different things. While we're here, we're going to take that front piece off right there. Definitely going to save that, and I'm going to save all these International Harvester bolts. I have a gentleman that comes in here for them. I want to check the fuel tank right here, see if it's a good one. See if it's nice and shiny. Still has gas in it, and it's very shiny. So we're going to remove that. I sell quite a few gas tanks. That front piece is in really good shape. I kind of like to keep this grill, so I'm going to snip that if I can. I have it loose now. There, I ruined that spring, but I'm going to be able to save that grill. I'm going to get on the other side here. There we go. It's able to save that spring right there. one. Narrow frames, I don't personally like working on them, but a lot of people do. So we'll take this side bolt off here. Now we're going to take the controls off. I'm going to tuck them in there into a hole. Eleven 30-seconds for the throttle on the bottom. It takes Phillips on the top. Now I'm going to put that nut back on there, and I'll tell you why. Somebody's going to come in and want that. Now we're going to take the bolts out of the bottom here for the motor. We'll take this screen off. It's so rounded off, I can't. There we go. And way underneath the axle. That's the best way to do it, in my opinion. And these are international bolts. Nine 16ths, they're 3/8 bolts that hold the motor in, 4 of them. We're going to use the impact on this one in the back. Before we try to pull it, we're going to take that shield bolt out right there. They are 5/16ths to take them out, but these are so rusted. And you can see that's how they drive them right there. There's the drive pin, and they have slots in it right here. So all we have to do is pull the motor out. She should come right out of there. I am going to soak that with WD-40 first. Look at that chisel. That's a big one right there. I went to a lawn sale with an ex-girlfriend near Binghamton, New York, out towards Greene, New York, on Labor Day weekend in the 90s, and I've had this chisel ever since. So and there we go. It's all out, and hopefully we get some sold. I have around 10 of these 10-horse motors. They don't sell real well for me, but this one here is an excellent runner. Actually, every 10-horse that I bought recently has ran very well. So thanks for tuning in. This video here was a little bit longer than I expected. But there's nothing easy working on these narrow frames. They're a little bit tougher. They're not like the spread frames. The spread frames, you could work on them in the middle of the night, half to sleep. So everyone have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, like I said. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so, and we'll definitely see you on the next video.